When did you notice something about someone after years of knowing them? 1. I found out my dad has been left-handed his whole life, but he writes with his right hand because of school rules when he was a kid. It took me 20 years to catch that he does everything else with his left hand. 2. My dad always left the last piece of food for me. It took me 23 years to realize he wasn't just not hungry. 3. When I realized my quirky friend was actually a master manipulator. It took years to see the pattern. 4. After years of knowing someone I thought was a friend, I realized that they only kept me around to be the butt of the joke. I plucked up the courage to chime in with a joke about them for a change, only for it to be reacted to like I'd committed a crime. Cue me being cursed out and told to mind my place. 5. A good friend of a few years wasn't just wily and difficult to make plans with. They had a legitimate addiction problem and hid it from everyone because they were ashamed of it. As far as I know, they're doing better these days. 6. The day I realized that my so-called friend actually only had time for me when they wanted something. 7. One of my best friends eats the paper you take off a straw. The first time I saw it, I was like, what the heck? He gave me a strange look and said he'd done it every time for the past 10 years we'd known each other. I suppose I'm not very observant. 8. I noticed after about 6 years together that my husband has a very slight lisp. He was very shocked that I had just now noticed it. To be fair to myself, though, I have a hard time